On the inside you'll get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, which will have an octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. This will be supported by 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, but you can also expand the storage up to 256GB using a micro SD card. On the OS front, you will get Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, with Vivo's FunTouch OS skin atop it. Camera details are not yet known, but the Vivo X21 will come with a dual rear camera. The phone is expected to launch today in China. It is worth mentioning that the Vivo X21 UD is not the same as Vivo APEX that was revealed during Mobile World Congress 2018. The upcoming smartphone from Chinese smartphone maker Vivo will be the Vivo X21. Details regarding this phone had already leaked online a few days ago, which showed the Geekbench benchmark scores. According to the latest report from GizmoChina, it looks like the only thing that is now left to be known is the price of the Vivo X21. The leaked specs come from the presence of two X21 variants, one with a regular fingerprint scanner on the back, and another version with an under-the-display fingerprint scanner, which will be the UD version. All the other specification remains the same for both devices. The Vivo X21 will sport a 6.28-inch FHD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio with a visible iPhone X-like notch.